There, in this tutorial, I will show you how can we configure an extended access control list to block any specific port protocol or service. An extended access control list can be either named or numbered. In this tutorial, I will show you how to configure numbered extended access control list to block SMP protocol so that a host from our device cannot ping an web server which is located on a remote network. Let's open our router CLI mode. Now we are in user execution mode. We need to type enable or en to enter privileged execution mode. To configure an access control list, we must need to go in global configuration mode. So we need to type configure terminal or configure tab T. As this is an extended access control list, we need to type the number which is greater than 99. Let's check our access control list. Note that we have configured an extended access control list which number is 102. At first, we create a rule to block echo that is ping, and it is an ICP based protocol. It is neither an TCP or EDP based protocol. Let's check the second line. We block ping from both sides. At last, we permit other IP except this one because an access control list always follows an implicit deny rule. If you block an host, other hosts will be automatically blocked if you don't allow other hosts manually. So let's check. This PC is not blocked. Note that this PC is in the same network, but it can ping. But I have blocked this laptop. 192.168.0.3. Destination host unreachable because we have blocked ping. But it can able to access the web server because I have not blocked the HTTP or HTTPS service. I hope you have liked my video. So please like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel because your likes, comments and subscription is my main inspiration. Bye bye.